So this is a video I have been excited to bring you guys for well over a year now. As a lot of you know, at SHOT Show back in January, one of my favorite products that was brought out was the new Seekins SLAM rifle. This is going to be their new lightweight chassis gun, kind of building on the experience that they already have with the Element, except it's got a few really cool things. We were really lucky to have this rifle loaned to us so that we could film this video and put some rounds downrange with it, show you guys what the new SLAM is all about. So starting off, it is going to be a chassis rifle. They took a lot of what they had already learned with both of the Element and with their hit rifle and kind of melded it into one rifle together. So it's going to have a carbon fiber forend on it, then it's going to have an aluminum chassis that's the backbone of the rifle. Just like the hit, it is going to have a folding stock as well. So unlike a lot of other carbon fiber chassis guns out there that are a little bit more driven towards hunting, the SLAM is going to have a full-length M-LOK channel on the bottom of it. So you can mount whatever pick rails, accessories, bipods you're wanting to on there, and then it does have a dedicated slot more towards the magwell to mount an ARCA plate. Just like the Element though, it is going to have their fluted 21-inch barrel. This one isn't a 6.5 PRC too. It's going to have a fluted bolt with their steel hybrid or steel aluminum hybrid action. On top of all that, it's also going to have a Trigger Tech diamond trigger out of the box. One thing too that kind of differentiates the SLAM rifle from the Element is going to be the fact that this is a custom shop gun from Seekins. So while it is kind of a production item, you can order them from dealers, you're no longer having to go direct through Seekins to get a custom shop gun. It is getting put together with the same care and detail that any of their other custom shotguns are going to have. This by far has been one of my most awaited products of 2024. I've already got one on order. I am stoked to get that rifle. Hopefully I'll have it by this hunting season. I don't know, but either way, after shooting this, after playing with it a bit and getting some trigger time behind it, I cannot wait to get mine.